I said to him, I don't care if you're a traffic warden. I'm a Father Principus. I can park my sleigh wherever I... Hello, children. Father Principus here. I've just been enjoying a relaxing afternoon with the elves. Those little can drink. Welcome to day... What day is it? Day 15. It's been 15 days already. Day 15 of 3D printed Super's 3D printed advent calendar. It's my round, so I need to hurry up. Reindeer. It's flat. It's great. You can put any size you want to, and you can put it on your mantelpiece or any other flat surface in your home. Oh dear. I need a flat surface. The room's gone wobbly. A lovely foil. Very well made. Lovely antler work. Antler. It's a funny word, antler. This fantastic maker this fantastic maker here is responsible for this, and I'm very, very impressed by the intricate details. If you fancy buying your dear friend Father Principus a drink, you can go to the coffee link below. All donations accepted before Christmas or after. Stay happy, stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay happy, stay safe. I've already said that. Keep printing.